Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. And first, we're going to start off on the Bitcoin chart on the daily. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. And right now, guys, it's looking like, and I haven't said this in a while now, but it's looking like on the daily, we might be getting a turnaround. We had a couple 4 hours here. We had a couple little trades here that we talked about potentially turning around and hitting our targets here. We traded sideways in this box. We had all these little things that we've been working through. But I'm finally starting to see a turnaround on a daily. The last time I saw that was all the way back here when I talked about this candle and then this possible W pattern setting up. Which I could kind of draw this out for you. And some of you guys know that have been watching my channel for a while. And I know you guys are still around because I see you guys comment. Much love to all you guys that have been following me from the beginning. But I called this W out before this W even happened. So I drew this up just like this. And I said, guys, we're probably going to get a potential W. Once we break this, we're going to take off. And then I said 69 would be the top. And then we'd get a big rejection from there, right? And I called that before this was even happening. So if some of you guys, I know you guys watched, some of you guys have been watching my videos from the beginning. You guys comment, let people know that, hey, I called this out. This W, this play. I mean, we've caught a lot of, we caught these bottoms down here because I started my channel back here, guys. So we've been calling all these moves. I think I called this one, and then I actually it started playing out, I think, when I was doing a live video, which was pretty cool. Well, not live, but I did a video and it was happening right there on the spot. But yeah, this right here could be a similar setup. We got to watch and see, but I'm liking this daily candle right here. Is there a lot of FUD? Yeah, if you Google Bitcoin right now, it looks like the end of the world, right? And we didn't even hit my target area. Okay, my target area was down in this area. Okay, from 39,600 to 37,300. We didn't even get into this area. Okay, so calling the bounce at 40,500. I know it's awkward, but if you look back here, it almost kind of lines up with what happened last time when we got the bounce. Here, we'll draw this up right here. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. And we're right there. Look at that. So it's kind of similar to that. I know there's a lot of lines up here, guys. I have to clean all this up. I'm back on the spaceship. I'm back on the monitors everywhere. I got the PC going. I had to order some parts for it. I was doing some mining and some things went wrong, so it's part of the game. Anyways, I'm actually liking this move on the daily, which I haven't said that in a long time. Usually, if I like something, it's short term or something. Well, recently, anyways, we've been just on this. I mean, we only had this recent move. There was a couple candles I liked on the 4 hour, which we got a little, or I'm sorry, on the hour, which we got a little jump from, but nothing major. I mean, then we just had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, and I only did like 2 videos in between this whole time, so I was out of commission. But anyways, I do like this candle, this second candle, because when I did my video a couple days ago, guys, I talked about this area where we came down, we tested this area. Then when I said we broke this area, we were looking around this area, actually 39,600 to 37. We didn't get that. We got this area. But now that I'm seeing this area, I'm liking this candle. Let's see how this plays out. Now, with that being said, I'm going to bring you guys back old school. Some of you guys watched my videos a long time ago. This indicator, if you go to TradingView, this is free, guys. You go to templates, okay? You go to where is it? Oh, MAEXP ribbon. This is all free. You click this, and this is what you'll get. You'll get a ribbon, right? This top line right here is the 20 EMA. All right. Now, usually what happens, you guys can see how this works. Usually what happens when this crosses over, we tend to go down, and then this acts as resistance. You can see it tries to come up, hits it, gets rejected, gets rejected. Then when it breaks through this, it twists up, and then we get our upswing. Then we fall back down, we twist, we get, and then look at right here, same thing. So basically, we don't want to see these twists. Well, it depends if you're bullish or bearish. But you can see right here, twist down, boom, we tanked. So now this is going to act as resistance, right? And we definitely want to clear this and then have this twist over. But these are my lines of concern. This blue line right here, okay, this is the 200-day moving average. All right, and we're going to go back to that, guys. I know I'm spending a little bit more time on Bitcoin, but I have to because Bitcoin runs the market. What I want to see is I want to see this flip. So we want to see this get back, of course, like this. We want to see it flip above the red and then have that 20 flip, okay? So that's what we're looking at for the ribbons, but we can also go to a shorter term time frame. You see how it changes, all right? So now we're on a 4-hour. Okay, so now I want to see us on a 4-hour flip so we can go higher on the 4-hour. But the first thing we got to do is clear this 200-day, okay? It's very important. And I'm going to show you why, guys. I'm going to show you why. Now, this right here, this is the 50-day moving average, okay? This is the 200-day moving average, this blue line. Now, when this crosses like this, I'm going to show you. This is called a death cross. When this crosses like this, and this crosses like this, that's called a death cross. Usually they don't like, the price doesn't like that, okay? But a lot of times what happens is it likes to fall and get priced in before the death cross happens. Like, for example, here, and even here. And I mean, anytime we fall under the 50 on the daily, we see this drop. Look, we fell here, and then look at right here. And then what happens is we get this big rejection, and everybody talks about death cross that happened right here. But all this already happened first. This move already happened first, before the death cross. Okay? So what usually happens is they like to start the FUD storm. You'll see the media pushing, oh, death cross, Bitcoin's done, and you'll see it, oh, Bitcoin's, the Fed ruined everything and blah blah blah. Guys, that's just them stealing your money. Okay? That's them stealing your money. So right now we're seeing this. Okay, yeah, could it go down a little bit more? Possibly. Could it go in this range? Yeah, it could. But right now, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Even though this is the first candle, or this was today's candle, and this candle just opened up about an hour ago, I'm liking the way this looks so far. Let's see if they try to short it and bring it down. But right now, this is looking great. What can happen actually here with this, guys, this can actually scoot up quick enough where this can actually do something like this. I know I'm not going to have a lot of time with the other charts, but this is more important. What can happen here, guys, is this can actually, these candles can shoot up really fast. Then this can actually start to go like this, and then this can come real close and touch it, and this can move back up, and the candles can get above here, and this can come really close and change. Or it could come back down, cross, and then go right back up and turn into a golden cross. Okay? This is a golden cross. All right? I'm going to show you right here. This is when the 50-day, this red line, which I usually have it orange. I don't know why it's red, but they didn't update, and now it's red. And usually this is green, but it's like a bluish color. But this is the 200-day. So when the 50 crosses above the 200, that's when you get the golden cross, and you could see what happened. Look, we had a golden cross. We still had a little dip down before we skyrocketed. Okay, but I am liking this move right now, guys, for maybe a potential reversal. Let's see how this plays out. Some of my indicators, like I said, look at the RSI at 29, guys. This is, I mean, if people are shorting this, they got a lot of cojones shorting this because, you're shorting when you're short when everything's so low and everything's at its bottom. I mean, when everything's just dead low, this is risky to short. Okay, in my opinion. So could we get a move here? I think we could. We need some more volume. There's a lot of scared people in the market right now, but hey, that's part of the game. Okay, so let's look at the hash ribbons. Let's look at the short term. 4 hour. Now, these are very easy targets for you guys now, okay? So these are the targets. First bullish target where I really want to see us get above would be 46,600 and, well, just 46,700 area. Let's just say it like that, okay? Love to see us get above there, get a daily or 4 hour candle close for continuation. Now, short term, I would like to see us get above 43,800 to push up to that level, okay? And then to the bottom, the downside, you know, we look like we could be, this is pretty close. I don't know if my eye is playing tricks on me. Well, let's see. Let's see how this plays out. Very close W, though. Very close. But anyways, or you could call it double bottom. They call it a double bottom, or I call it a W because it's easier to see the W's. You can see one right here. And then what happens, you break it and it goes skyrocketing. Or you could get an M pattern. This can flip and go over, but that's for another time because we're already 11 minutes in just Bitcoin. All right. So my downside would be, guys, 39,600, 37,300. Or we can get real low and get down to this 36 to 35 range. Okay. But what we want to see here right now to go to the upside, we want to see us flip this and get above this, get a 4 hour or possibly a daily above this 43,800 area. If we could do that, then we can really start to turn things around. Okay. Ethereum, same thing, guys. We didn't hit my mark. Okay. This was our old W here on Ethereum. You can see it right here. Same thing. It was the same setup Bitcoin had. Okay. We broke and then boom, straight up to the moon. All right. Now, I'm seeing this first candle right here. This could be setting up for our W pattern. Okay. Now, you could say, well, I didn't have anything here. Well, I could look back. I could find something. Look at this right here. Boom. And look at that, lines up perfectly where it's bouncing now. This area where it got rejected, and then this W happened right here. So look what happened. Where we're getting the bounce right here at 3,000. Okay, 3,000. We're getting the bounce, and this W right here, when it came down, boom, 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 and then it broke this area here. Off to the races, guys. Off to the races. W here got rejected. Off to the races. I'm thinking this is going to happen again. This is setting up. Now, you don't hear me say this often. So for me to say this is I'm putting my reputation out there, but I'm putting it out there. Everybody's bearish. I think it's the most fearful people have been in months or even a year or something. I don't even know. Last time I looked, it was at like 12 or something. It was something really low. But this is what we're looking at, guys. I'm putting it out there for you. Okay? Could I be wrong? Yeah, of course. Could we be hitting my lower levels? Of course. But everything's so low. I mean, look, we're getting a bounce here off of Matic, 189. I want to see 189 hold up. For Ethereum, let's just get above because I know I'm running out of time now. Let's get above this previous high from yesterday's candle coming in around 32.50. Let's get a daily candle closing above there for tomorrow's close on Sunday around 7 o'clock. Let's see if that happens. Matic. Let's see Matic here. Look at this. Matic. We broke through we did this video right here. We got our area of $2 and $2 and then the 203. That broke down. So we ended up hitting this 189, which I didn't have because I didn't make a video for the last couple of days. I did have this, which we did get a bounce off of it and then a rejection, but then we fell. But then I have this right here. Look at this. There's a lot of support right here. So let's see if this 189 holds up. And then we can get a 4 hour or a daily back above 204, 203 mark. I would really like it above 204. And then maybe we can push back above the previous high, which is around 214, 215 area. Okay, I know I'm running out of time, so I'm going to go to Cardano. Cardano, guys, I did not see this coming. So we hit my target here. Perfect. Nailed it. We got the bounce here, got rejected here. Perfect. Then we hit the bounce again. We bounced again up into my box here, which I talked about, the 125, 124 area. We got rejected there. Now, I did not have this. I did not have the 112. Boom, I did not have that, but we'll mark that. Okay. But now we're creeping back up into this zone here. So what I would like to see is, first of all, I would like this to stay above this wick here at 117. So let's see if we can stay above there. And I would really like to get above this 125, 126 area, 4-hour candle or daily candle closing above there. And let's see if we can just hold the 112. I think we can. Solano, guys, look at Solano. We talked about this area, 135. I actually drew 130, but it was 135 to 134. We got that area. I just put this 130 down because I like this support here and what support here, just in case we do fall in. So this would be my area of concern, would be right around here. Boom, from 135 to 130 area. Even though we did bounce off my 134, 135 area, and then we ended up getting rejected perfectly. Look at this, guys. I did this video 2 days ago. Look, we got rejected right off my 147. So I would like to see us get a 4-hour daily candle closing above that, and then more continuation above 150, a daily above that, and then maybe we could push all the way back up to 160, get a close above that. That would be very, very nice. 160 and 163 area. Okay, I'm running out of time. So that's for Solana. So that's what I'm looking at. This right here is the 200-day. It just started because this was on Coinbase. So it hasn't been 200 days on Coinbase charting this. So this is the very start of it, guys. And it bounced off the 200-day moving average. That's very, very positive. Solana bounced off that 200. So we could be seeing a bounce here. Okay, SHIB, we got into my box that we talked about in my video from a couple days ago. Boom, got in my box. Now we're looking up. We hit the 27, and we got down a little bit, 26, a little 26.50 area. So we were a little bit off on that. That's weird. I believe I thought I had that. Maybe that wasn't, yeah, because right here. Yeah, I don't know why I wouldn't have that, guys, because you could see the support right here. Maybe because I didn't do a video yesterday or 2 days ago. But boom, look at that lines up. You could see the support here, support here. Look at, boom, perfectly with the bounce. That's where they took it. That's where we're getting the bounce. So I'm looking for our bounce here. And let's see if we can close a 4-hour or daily above 3,000. If we could do that, then that'll be a very, very positive sign for SHIB Army, SHIB Nation. And let's see if we hold, this 2640 area. Okay. Avalanche, guys. Boom. Nailed my 79 right on the dot for my video. We are currently getting rejected at my 85. What happens is we talked about that being a support, which it did. We got the bounce off of there. Then we got rejected very close to, we had 89 and some change, and it got up to 9, or I had 90 and it was 89 some change, very close to our rejection point. So basically we had the bounce and the rejection for my previous video. And then I had this area too, for 79 being my low point for a possible bounce. All this played out perfect. Now we're looking for a bounce. Now I want to see a 4-hour or a daily candle closing above 85, guys. And I want to see this 80 or 79, 80 area hold. I don't want to see a daily or 4-hour candle closing under that. I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Keep an eye on this hash ribbons. Let's see if we can flip it even on a 15-minute. Okay, so the 15-minute, we're flipping it. You can see what I mean, guys. Look what happened when we flipped it on the 15-minute. It took off, right? Let's look at the hour. Ooh, look at this, guys. We're starting to make our move. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get above here, get back above 42,500, get a 4-hour candle closing above there, and then maybe we can make some noise. I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to all you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the like. Show me some love for doing this. And I think that's it. I'll put my link to Twitter and Webull in the description. You guys sign up, you get some free shares, you get some benefits out of the deal using my Webull account. Much love to you guys. You guys have a great weekend. I'll come out here tomorrow and do another video. I think that's it for tonight. Peace out.